In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit battery. Then tap on battery mode. Hit high performance mode at the top and wait. To turn it on, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully enabled. To disable it, hit battery mode again and click on balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!